Raj Soman.
Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Raj Soman Academy of Excellence. So today in this YouTube masterclass, I will be giving you an overview of what YouTube actually is. Okay. Now, okay. Now, see, we all know that even you and me, most people prefer information in visual format. Am I right? See, it's easy to understand when an information is in visual format. So YouTube is the best platform to share knowledge in visual format, okay, through video format. Okay, now since this is a best platform, there are so many content creators, and also there are so many people to create videos and upload. So approximately 500 hours of video is uploaded every single minute. Okay, 500 hours of videos uploaded every single minute, and nearly 30,000 hours of newly created videos are uploaded per hour. Okay, this data is according to the present year. In future years it might vary. So okay, now as you can see, there are lots and tons of videos, right? And now you might have one doubt, that is it possible for my channel to grow among these tons of videos? The answer is yes, you can. Now let me give you a small motivation. Among these tons of videos, okay, among these tons of videos, 30 to 45 percentage or even 50% of them are easily competitive videos. You can easily compete them. Okay, now I think you have got some idea. Let me tell you why they are easily competitive. Because those videos don't have proper format. See, YouTube prefers the best video format in the form of MP4 with H.264 video codec and WAC audio codec. Okay, WAC means advanced audio codec. Okay, so I know this might be like confusing to you. Don't worry, I will show you how to create and export video and audio in these kinds of format using a software. I will teach you. Okay, so those people don't have these kind of format. That's why YouTube don't push their videos on the YouTube search engine result page. Okay, and next thing is that they don't regularly update their channel. They don't regularly upload their videos. Once in a month they will upload, or twice in a month. See, you need to prove YouTube that you're constantly working on YouTube. You're constantly working on your channel. Okay, so to show YouTube that I am constantly working on the channel, the only way is to prove them that I am regularly uploading my videos. I have a flow in my upload process. Okay, so it can be like you can upload 2 times a week or 3 times a week, but you need to show YouTube that I am regularly doing my job. What happens is then YouTube will recognize your channel and it will promote your channel organically. Got it, right? And the other problem with these why these kinds of videos are easily competitive is because they use non-searchable topics. See, if you are going to upload a video which is not which is not so popular among viewers, do you think that viewers will come and watch your videos? Definitely not, right? Next is short lifespan videos. Now, for example, let's take a news channel, for example. Now their videos they have huge popularity. I accept that, but see, today if they are uploading a video, only today they will have that so much of views or so much of watch time and things like that. After 1 week, the lifespan of the video gets reduced. People then don't watch these videos. See, do you think that you will watch a news video which is 2 months back, which has been uploaded 2 months back? No, definitely not. So these kinds of videos are easily competitive. And next thing is duplicate videos. Now see, there are so many people, let me tell you, even I have seen many people, duplicating my videos also, but I don't care, because YouTube will take care of them. Because see, YouTube has some special algorithms that can find people uploading duplicate videos. Okay, either YouTube will not promote those channels, they won't even get views or subscribers, even if they upload regularly also, they won't even get views or subscribers, or to an extent YouTube might even block their channel. So be careful, don't ever upload videos, don't ever copy other people's video and upload. Okay, you can gain knowledge from that particular person, and you can create your own video and you can upload, that's fine, but don't exactly download that video and just upload it. YouTube is not gonna really help those kind of channels. Okay, then there are no proper video optimization. This is very important, guys. People spend lots of time on giving a good presentation, they spend lots of time on editing, they give lots of time on audio editing and all, but they fail to optimize their video. Okay, video optimization is a thumb rule in YouTube optimization. Okay, in YouTube video optimization, so definitely you need to learn video optimization, and that is why this YouTube masterclass is gonna teach you. That is why it is gonna teach you people how to properly optimize your videos on your YouTube channel. Okay, then language based and country based. Okay, for example, do you think that you want to go, so if I am a guy from South India and if I am uploading videos in Tamil, okay, do you think that I should go and compete with a person who is uploading a video in Hindi or English? No, definitely not. Why should I compete with them? Because I am uploading videos in Tamil. Okay, so those videos are also easily competitive. And similarly, interest based videos, see, if I run a cooking channel, okay, then why should I go and compete with someone who's running a tech channel? That doesn't make sense, right? So these kind of videos are also easily competitive. Okay, now you might have some doubt, like, okay, Kalidas, you told me that 30 to 45% and to an extent even 50% of these videos are easily competitive. Then what about the remaining 50% of the videos? How do I stand out among them? The answer is simple. The answer is consistency and optimization. Okay, see, consistency is in your hand. You need to properly have that flow of upload process. You need to have that proper you need to have that periodic process. You need to follow that process. Optimization I will teach you in this YouTube masterclass. Okay, so when you combine consistency and optimization, you're definitely gonna stand out from these other percentage of videos. Okay, definitely you will rank high. Okay, that's a guarantee. Next is be a brand among them. So why do you want to become a brand? See, for example, if I'm uploading videos and next time if one person has he has watched my video, and tomorrow if YouTube suggests another video from my same channel, when he opens my video, he will see my channel name. He'll have a thought process like, oh, this guy's YouTube channel, yeah, he has great knowledge, he's providing values, he's been providing so much of values to people. So when people trust you, definitely you're gonna get more views, definitely you're gonna get more subscribers. Okay, so branding your YouTube channel is very important. Okay, and I will teach you how you brand your YouTube channel step by step. Okay, next you need to solve people's problems. See, if you're running a YouTube channel, make sure that you solve people's problem. Only when you solve people's problem or provide values to people, there will be a huge audience waiting for you. Okay, please follow these rules. These are the thumb rules to have a good YouTube channel. Okay, Definitely, if you follow these, I guarantee you that within 3 months, okay, 3 months, your YouTube channel will, gain monetization. I promise you. But you need to, you need to follow these steps. You need to implement it step by step. Definitely you will see success in 3 months, and you will see your YouTube channel monetized. Definitely. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. Let's rock together. Thank you.